Welcome to the instructional video for the DrugFor Saliva multi-drug test cup. The test cup rapidly detects drugs and metabolites in human oral fluid. Test component. Test cup. Single uses, sponge collector. Instruction for use. Before starting the test, ensure you do not eat, drink, chew gum, or use tobacco products for at least 10 minutes. To collect a sample, insert the sponge end of the collector into the mouth. Set the timer for 3 minutes. Remove the collector from the mouth and screw the cap into the tube. Tighten the lid. Set the timer for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, a line in both C and T indicates a negative result. No line in T indicates a positive result. This test detects drugs like amphetamines, barbiturates, benzodiazepines, cocaine, marijuana, methadone, methamphetamine, MDMA, opiates, oxycodone, and phencyclidine. For accurate results, follow these steps carefully. For more information, visit our website or contact us at sales@vitrosens.com.